Hello students, let us read this question. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So we have given different numbers and we have to check whether the given numbers are divisible by 11 or not. So let us first understand the divisibility test for 11. So divisibility test for 11. So for 11, for divisibility test for 11, what we do is we first find out the sum of digit at odd place and sum of digits at even place, and we take their difference. And if that difference is 0 or a number that is divisible by 11, then we call such numbers are divisible by 11. So we can write here that we find out the difference of sum of odd place digits and we find out the difference, and similarly we find out sum of even place digits, and this difference should be either 0 or a number or a number that is divisible by 11. Then we can say that the number is also divisible by 11. So let us consider the first example. So we have 5445. 5445. So let us find out the of even sum of odd place. It is 5 plus 4, which is 9, and sum of even places. It is again 4 plus 5, which is 9. Now let us find out the difference. So difference will be sum of odd place, which is 9, minus sum of even place, which is again 9. Now since it is 0, so therefore we can see that the number 5445 is divisible by 11. Now let us consider the second example. So the number is 10,824. 10,824. Okay. So let us find out the sum of odd places. So it will be 1 plus 8, which is 9, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, which is 13, and sum of even places. Sum of even places will be 0 plus 2, which is 2. Now the difference will be 13 minus 2, which is 11. Now we know that 11 is divisible by 11. So therefore we can say that the number is divisible by 11. Now let us consider the next example. So it is 7138965. 7138965. 8965. Okay. So first we will again find out sum of odd places. Odd places. It will be 7 plus 3, which is 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. And sum of odd places. Sorry, even places. It will be 1 plus 8, which is 9. 9 plus 6, which is 14. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, which is 14. And it is, let us again find out the sum at odd places. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. Okay. So the difference here, it will be 24 minus 14, which is 10. and 10 is not divisible by 11, so we can say that the number 7138965 is not divisible by 11. Now let us consider the fourth question. So we have 701 7138965. Okay. Now consider the next example. So we have 7016. We can write here 9308. 9308. Okay. So let us find out sum of odd places. It is 7 plus 1, which is 8. 8 plus 9 will be 17. 17 plus 0 will be 17. And sum of even places. It will be 0 plus 6, which is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is again 17. Now the difference will be 17 minus 17, which is 0. And since the difference is 0, we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. The next number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros and 1. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. Now find out sum of odd places. It will be 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 1 plus, it will be 1. Similarly, sum of even places will come out to be 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 1, which is again 1. Therefore, the difference will be 1 minus 1, which is 0. So since the difference is 0, so we can say that the number is divisible by 11. And the last example is 901153. 901153. Sum of odd places. So it will be 9 plus 1, which is 10. 10 plus 5, which is 15. And sum of even places. So it will be 0 plus 1, which is 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Now let us calculate the difference. So difference will be 15 minus 4, which is 11. Now since the difference is 11 and 11 is divisible by 11, so therefore the number is divisible by 11. So in this question, we have used the divisibility test for 11 to check whether the given number is divisible by 11 or not. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.